Today I'm going to show you how to add new fonts to Photoshop. So first of all, what we want to do is go and download your font. I'm going to get this one, Sodbury. Now you want to open the folder and extract it. Extract all. Go into the folder and you'll have these different files here. Now what you want to do is go down to the Windows icon at the bottom and type in font. There you'll see a thing called font settings. Click and drag these into font settings. I've already got it installed, but press. I'll just replace it, but that will install it. Now you can see it's installed here. So if I go back into my Photoshop, I can add a font there, and if I type in the font here, Sodbury, here it is. Hello, thank you. And that's how you add fonts to Photoshop. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it worked.